गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग डॉक्टर साहब।
कैसे हैं सर?
सब आशीर्वाद।
सर अगले 5 मिनट में स्टार्ट ही करते हैं हम लोग।
ओके, मैं ज्वाइन हूँ।
जी 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 जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, विद इन 5 मिनट्स विल स्टार्ट।
एज एंड व्हेन आई विल गेट योर इंस्ट्रक्शन।
सर नॉट इंस्ट्रक्शन सर, इट्स रिक्वेस्ट।
ओके ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम।
सोनाली 5 मिनट में स्टार्ट करते हैं।
ओके सर, ओके।
सोनाली स्टार्ट करते हैं।
ओके सर। Good morning to all of you. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to the third day of our faculty development program. I hope the past 2 days have been insightful and enriching for everyone, and we are excited to continue this journey of knowledge and academic growth. We are honored to welcome our expert for today's session, Professor R.K. Dwivedi sir. Professor R.K. Dwivedi sir, Dean and Principal of the Faculty of Engineering and College of Computing Science and Information Technology at Tithankar Mahavir University, Muradabad, with over a 25 year of professional experience, including 21 years in academics and 4 years in the software industry. Sir brings a wealth of knowledge in both education and technology. Sir holds a PhD in Computer Science and Engineering from IIT Roorkee and an MTech in Computer Science and Engineering from UP Technical University. Throughout his career, Sir has held several key leadership roles and made significant contribution in research, having guided 19 PhD scholars, published 59 papers, contributed to 9 book chapters, and filed 23 patents. His research span in IoT, cloud computing, big data, and algorithm design. We are truly honored to have him with us today and look forward to gaining valuable insight from his experience. Now, I would like to call Professor R.K. Dwivedi sir for this session. Sir, we can start the session.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we can start.
Okay, sir.
So, good morning, everybody. I am really feeling honored to be the part of this online faculty development program on advanced AI development and research challenges, organized by Rajki Engineering College, Banda. My sincere thanks to Director Professor Sukla and the HOD of Information Technology, Dr. Vibhas Yadavji, who has given me this wonderful opportunity to speak on this demystifying AI and its impact on society. This is a conceptual framework of artificial intelligence. Today I am going to elaborate. So shall I share my presentation?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it's visible. First of all, I would like to confirm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible.
इसको हाइड कर देना. So I think my screen is visible to all participants.
Sir, please share your full screen.
That is in full screen mode only. Yeah, it's visible now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's in full. From my side, this is visible to me in full screen mode.
It's full screen, sir. Now it's full screen.
Okay. So good morning to all the participants. Today I'm going to discuss this demystifying AI and its impact on society. Artificial intelligence is nowadays become buzzword, और इसका जो रहस्य उद्घाटन है ये आप देख ही रहे हैं. बहुत सारे dimensions को across the domain it is affecting, and I hope I will do little what I can say information sharing with all the participants. This is one of the picture relating to the artificial intelligence. I hope you could see this AI is basically a scalability in this. What kind of interdisciplinary domains are there? This hardware, software, IoT, and data science. All are clubbed in one, and you could see how this artificial intelligence driven systems are affecting the natural intelligence. They are now, this artificial intelligence is challenging the natural intelligence in terms of performance, in terms of accuracy. So how natural intelligence can control this artificial intelligence? This is basically a challenge now. All right, dear friends, understanding artificial intelligence and its societal influence is very important phenomena in present scenario, because as I have shown you one picture that refers to the machine that programmed to mimic human intelligence and perform tasks such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, and language understanding as well. For example, if you could see the influence this virtual assistants in all domain, virtual assistants. In fact, I could say virtual assistants would be increasing more and more, and in future, in fact, every person will have their own virtual assistants. All right. Self-driving car is another one. Recommendation system is another one. So how it is affecting to the society? I hope, am I audible to everybody? Can anybody
Sir, you are audible, sir.
Okay. So dear friends, in broader category, if I talk about the broader category, so types of AI is basically classified in 3 categories. Earlier, in fact, few decades back, the narrow AI, that is specialized in one task, that is relating to the voice assistants, and many fields, many domains, finance is one, they have started such kind of narrow AI that is specialized in one task. Then another one category which is gaining mileage is general AI. And in general AI, human-like intelligence across a wide range of tasks. This is going on. This domain is basically undergoing, and for that scalability is one which is taken care by the scientists, that human-like intelligence across a wide range is how much possible. In fact, many of the scientists are saying that this is a hypothetical kind. And the third category, which is assumed, is super AI. That is conceptually thought of, that exceeds the human intelligence. And these, I will speak on all these today in conceptual manner. How AI works. Presently, we have understood AI, types of AI. Then we are discussing that how it works. Data is fuel for AI. So data collection is one. Any AI-driven system needs data in terms of fuel. If you have any good model, but if you do not have an accurate data, perhaps you could not work upon. Then we need a robust algorithms and machine learning approach. Then model training and testing. And after these 3 stages, data collection, algorithm and machine learning, and model training and testing, then we are deploying. And after the deployment, continuous learning. This is the way of AI working. Am I right? So we have studied so far AI conceptually, how it works, then types of AI, and then how it is programmed. So data is a fuel, then process with the support of algorithms and machine learning. Model is prepared, model is trained, model is tested, and model is deployed. And after the deployment, whatever the changes, we are incorporating all those changes. All right. Then further, AI in everyday life, because my topic is demystifying AI and its societal influence. So this is basically the conceptual domain wherein I am focusing more, that how AI is affecting on everyday life, like smart home devices. It is seen, and in fact, people are taking assistance. Then personalized recommendations is another domain where AI is affecting. Healthcare diagnostics, this is the another popular domain which is affecting the human life every day. Then if I talk about, because the financial transaction is almost online. We are the leading country in terms of financial transactions using UPI. So fraud detection and autonomous vehicles. Yeah, autonomous vehicle is one domain which is not exactly in terms of driving takes place in India. However, in other countries, it is going on, and especially if I talk about the flight mode. So this automated flight mode is very much popular. So by this AI driven framework, if I talk about the benefit, what society is getting benefit. So first benefit is increased efficiency. Naturally, if human being is there, there might be the limited potential in terms of physical efficiency. So machine is definitely having increased efficiency. Then cost reduction is another, because once your model is created and you can utilize that model for multiple times. Enhanced decision making. This is basically benefiting in terms of uncertainty estimation, to minimize the uncertainty, to give a better prediction model. Another benefit is improved safety in any of the domain. If you are using AI model, that gives the way out to improve your safety and solving your complex problems. All right, perhaps once human is solving any problem, it may take a few days, few months, few years, but if you are solving it through AI models, perhaps it is solved in very short span of time. So all these are benefits of AI driven system, and how the ways society is getting influenced. Now the challenge, because coin is having head and tail, both parts. So challenges and concerns. If I talk, because this is broadly debated, data privacy and security is one. Naturally, if I talk about nowadays, everybody is like a chalte phirte robo. If your data, if your mobile data is on and you are carrying a mobile, you are not less than robos, because you are traceable. So data privacy and security, everything is digitalized. Aadhaar, PAN, cell phone number, your location, your home location, everything is tagged. So data privacy and security is one. Another one is job displacement. Because earlier, prior to AI, the job was handled either by manual machinistic process or by human being. So what is the thing that people have to get training how to use AI system. All right, they must get training. All right, and then secure their job, or they have to change their displacement. All right, so job displacement is there. Another challenge is because it's totally data driven and algorithmic process driven. So it could be a major concern that algorithmic bias, due to the algorithmic bias, some other kind of trend may be reflected by AI system, because that is not ethical AI. Basically, people are advocating, people are urging and vouching to remove this algorithmic bias and go for ethical AI. All right. So ethical consideration is another challenge in this. And then autonomous decision making. Black box, whatever the black box has decided, you cannot question. You cannot question. Because how autonomous system has given the decision, that is, I think many people are not understanding about the internal algorithmic process, that how this output is reflected. All right. So in nutshell, if we proceed further, that understanding of artificial intelligence and its societal influence, the social impact is basically transforming workplaces. We in fact, we as a teacher, once we studied a computer science domain. Earlier framework, if I talk about 20-30 years back, there was a client server based system to ease the human effort. However, later on, once internet technologies and smartphone technologies grown up, it becomes web enabled. However, presently it is transforming a workplace. Everybody uses AI tool to understand the things. In fact, Google search engine is facing a lot of competition with all these AI driven models. However, few positive sides are there, like enhance healthcare decision making with the support of AI driven system. Our decision making in healthcare diagnostic process is very, very effective. All right. Revolutionizing the education. This whole education system is got a new dimension. Content is not an issue nowadays. Earlier, people were not getting adequate content, refined content relating to that particular domain. However, currently you can get all kinds of ongoing research trends in your laptop itself, in your mobile phone itself. This entire education system got revolutionized, and the major impact on human relationships and communication. All right. So I think I recommend for the responsible AI development, which is based upon ethical AI design principles, where the human bias or any organizational bias or the political bias could be removed. Then transparency and explainability approach could be added, because currently it is operating in black box mode. All right. And as per my view, every decision must have a transparency and the basis of decision making, that is explainability. These components may be added. The responsible AI development may have a fairness and inclusivity and human oversight. And another one is the sustainable AI, because very frequent change and non-sustainability is creating an unrest in people's mind. All right. So this is the ingredient or the parameter which has to be taken care for responsible AI development. And if we talk about the future of AI and how this may affect the entire society, that natural intelligence and natural intelligence of a human and the artificial intelligence of a machine, if these two things collaborate, I mean, if human and AI collaborate, then definitely it would be beneficial for the society. AI-driven system must have a well-defined regulatory framework. Perhaps this is missing, because इसमें ऐसा होगा, अगर रेगुलेटरी फ्रेमवर्क नहीं होगा तो आगे आने वाले समय में आदमी जो है वो अपनी भड़ास जो है वो एआई के थ्रू निकालेगा, और बाद में ये होगा कि साहब ये तो एआई है, इसने कुछ का कुछ जवाब दे दिया. Every person, if they have robots and they might be used as a sharpshooter, कि अब वैसे गोली चला के कोई मर्डर नहीं करेगा, पता चले एआई ड्रिवन शार्प शूटर्स जो है लोग लगा देंगे. तो इसकी भी यूजिबिलिटी को रेगुलेटरी फ्रेमवर्क में लाना चाहिए to have a better impact in society, not a side effect. All right. So AI for social good is recommended, and this needs a continued research and innovation, because in some dimension like forensic with AI, this gave a better impact to solve many problems which is not solved by a human being. All right. So again, I'm showing this picture which I have shown in first slide. Basically, science behind AI is not known by many people. However, the buzzword of AI is understood by many people, many layman people. All right. So I recall the older phenomena for the understanding purpose. Like once this information technology got evolved, then people were not knowing much about the programming language, about the databases, about the web-enabled applications, but user was knowing how to use it in their favor. So there are two communities. First community has to understand the science, and the another community who is basically user side, they are basically knowing the buzzword of AI. All right. But I personally thought of that every user must also understand the science basically, because the decision-making process get emerged from the science. All right. So nowadays, I think many people are using this chat GPT, this large language models, all right. And this we are also using, in fact, we are also using such kind of tools for our educational purposes. And AI has really given impetus to us also to simplify our work, all right. Because chat GPT is helping you many ways in terms of drafting letters, in terms of preparing your presentations, all right. In fact, to float the assignment, nowadays whatever the questions we are floating, whatever the suggestions we are giving in our projects, students are asking with the chat GPT, and they are coming to us with solution. So how to prevent this AI tools? Because if they are totally dependent upon, this new generation is totally dependent on AI, then perhaps natural intelligence will not be incremental model development, may not have this incremental model of development. So to have an incremental model of natural intelligence, this in problem solving, this chat GPT and all could be prevented, all right. So in fact, this is PDF version. I have some videos as well to show you people, but because I converted my presentation in PDF for the better display purpose, I could not show you that model, how this large language model and other things can be used in the favor of what I can say, in the favor of a human being to get a better decision making and better result, all right. This is some kind of this large language model uses the transformers, and how they are having, because this was having a video, but I said I converted in PDF, so I could not show you that those videos. So how the transformers are predicting, I mean, for the next token on the basis of the inputs, how they are embedding, how the queries, and how the keys have been passes and the values, and how the score is being calculated, how AI thinks, how machine works, all right. And how this language model, this large language model, can be pre-trained. I have given the link as well. In fact, I'll share the presentation so it could be shown from and extracted from there. So as I said, that there is a two side. That is a two side. One is the user side, which understands, the people understands AI in terms of the buzzword of AI, all right. And the another side, they basically understand the science of AI. Basically, they understand that how the process can work and what kind of data is needed for a certain kind of process to train the machine learning models to get the exact result, all right. So these are the some in fact Facebook has created home robot to help you to find out, suppose if your cell phone is lost. So if you are not able to find out where in your home, where is your cell phone, where your cell phone is ringing, all right, so that robot perhaps can help, all right, home robot can help you to find out your ringing phone, all right. So this is again, in fact, I have the video, but as I said in presentation, it was there, but once I converted it. So I mean, this is the entire that system. In fact, I had shown some fire alarm was there, and how this AI driven system is helping to extract the room impulse response, and with the support of audio visual policy, all right, how the system is designed using various CNN and other kind of algorithms. Slide I have to change. No problem, it's okay. I will share to the organizing teams. So this is one of the model which I would like to show, which is based upon the audio visual policy, that how AI driven systems are useful to prevent the fire, prevent the home fire. And that system has used the feature that captures the distance and angle, all right. So dear friends, my basically this is a little bit technical topic which I took as an example, that how AI driven system is basically a building a home robot to help you to assist people in various ways, in terms of fire alarm, in terms of warning messages, or helping you by many ways, all right. And this I have given you the link as well, that one of the robot can perform the chorus work. That robot is watching the YouTube video and performing the home household chorus work, all right. Presently people are appointing maid, but in future all these household chorus work would be done by a home robot, all right. Here also I have a video, but I said that due to my fault I converted this because of the display purpose, I converted it in PDF. So otherwise many funny things were involved in this. So dear friends, this science of AI, this is having a mini interdisciplinary algorithmic framework, combining many processes. However, at the end user side, they only understood the buzzword of AI, all right. Like robots learn to perform many tasks, and these are the examples that how the AI driven robots are performing all household chorus work. In fact, all right, they are assisting the people. In fact, old age people are taking help of all kinds of AI driven robot for their day-to-day work, all right. If the nowadays, because all persons of whom are working professionals. So their life is going to dependent on machine. Today, as internet and mobile is basic essence of every human being, we understand that. However, if you predict the upcoming 30 years, every individual, either me, you, or somebody else, they will have one AI driven robot with them and one AI driven software system for their decision making and for all kinds of response. All right. So like earlier we were having a telephone. मैं एक मतलब अगर historical way की बात करूं आपसे, तो शुरुआती दौर में सबके घर टेलीफोन नहीं होता था. तो मैं अपनी बात करूं तो जब मैं दिल्ली पढ़ाई करने के लिए, तो I was having, मतलब my landlord was having a phone and my parents were calling and I was going to attend. Then this voice call driven cell phone emerged. Then might be people were having, everybody was having at one home one cell phone. Nowadays people are having, all individuals are having smartphones, even though many people are having 2-3 cell phones. Somebody is having Android, somebody is having Apple, and somebody is having a private phone, somebody is having business phone. So similar, this upcoming 20 years, 20 to 30 years, might be people might not be having bouncers with them. They have robot, they have AI driven systems to work in favor of them. This is the future model. All right. So this now what is the science of AI nowadays? Because AI has started the extracting the human actions. AI has started the extracting the human actions, and scalability is one issue I pointed out earlier as well. Like all brain analysis and the action analysis, how it could be compiled and how the decision making would be taken. That is basically a future of AI science. Extracting the thinking process and correlating it with actions. Because as I described, 3 categories of AI. Once we are talking about the super AI is basically, अभी हम सुपर कंप्यूटर की बात करते थे, अब हम सुपर AI and सुपर कंप्यूटर. मतलब naturally super AI, as you predict that earlier we were saying ना, उसके पास इतना बल है. हम कहते थे ना कि किसी के पास इतने हाथियों का बल है. तो अब जो AI होंगे उनके पास कितने ह्यूमन ब्रेन की डिसीजन मेकिंग और थॉट प्रोसेस इन टर्म्स ऑफ इनपुट वहां पर होगा. ऑल राइट. So future of AI is basically have a natural thought process of million of humans. Okay. So this is something affordances and which is helping to predict in various ways, heat maps. All right. Learn the visual affordances of many things. So this is a one model. In fact, that contact map, that is one encoder, and there is a trajectory network, and there is a affordance model is there, and on the basis of that trajectory network, it will work upon an contact point of heat map. Then how this will learn, I mean, this is basically related with the darkness, light, all right, changing the scenarios, all these. So this is something predicting heat maps on the basis of that encoder and trajectory network. This affordance model is prepared, and that is reflecting. That is one example of AI science. Basically, I'm taking up two categories. So all these are the models, have hotspots, HOI, and hours, and this is predicting, and how this this work upon, basically deploying the heat maps. I have given the link as well, and that can be seen. All right. So this is the deployment of heat maps. All right, that what kind of model is needed. All right. So all these things are something related with the AI science, and how science works, and how it is converted for user, and that only understand that this is the AI enabled device. All right. So my dear good friends, here I am talking because I'm connected with the teachers and the students who is basically either practicing or thinking to be the part of this AI study. So how to approach the AI studies, and how to approach this AI research. So if you did bachelor's, so how to do MS and MTech in this specialized domain. If you have done masters, then how you can correlate yourself in AI driven research in terms of PhD program. So for that, if you are really interested, so there are a lot of open domain courses are involved. That is, you have to have a very good fundamentals relating to the linear algebra, probability, and the optimizations, because AI driven system needs all algorithmic framework understanding, because if you are not understanding, perhaps you are not able to develop a good model, good decision making model, which is accurate and minimizes the uncertainty. So in fact, some of the courses I mentioned, like machine learning from Coursera, deep learning specialization from Coursera. All right. And this machine learning crash course from Google AI, machine learning with Python from Coursera. All right. Some of the teaching material like machine learning from EDX is also pretty good. All right. And fast AI from this, you can go for introduction to machine learning for codes. So those who basically all these things I'm discussing, because if you are really interested to understand the science of AI, buzzword of AI is basically a user part, but if you understand the science of AI, then perhaps all these things you have to study. All right. Hands-on practice on deep learning. Some of them are CNN architecture. All right. You have to understand. Another one is image classification domain. by many algorithms. In fact, you can go and you can see. So some of the link I have given. All right, this is related to the AI study part. All right, and a very good course, you can say excellent categories of courses are available in online, and you take hands-on practice in deep learning. And once you have understood, please explain others to spread this understanding of AI. All right. And if you are going for higher studies in terms of research, so research paper, once you understand, you must understand the source code of that research paper, how the model is created, what kinds of APIs being used. All right. So I mentioned some of the platforms in my slide. All right. So research paper is good, but research, until and unless you are not understanding the source code, perhaps you would be at user side. So the thing is that you must understand the science. All right. So once you are approaching for the research, you read the research paper with source code and identify the bottlenecks on it. Identify the bottlenecks. I mentioned that one paper, like missing annotations, exploration in loops, missed statistics, recognition in error, broken floor geometry, switching error, step on stairs, stop right away. All right. So all these are the parameters related to the robotics design. All right. Once we are trying to understand one paper. So my question is, once you are interested for AI science, so understanding of source code as a computer scientist is very much needed. So how to approach research? As I said, these are the many institutions, those who are doing fine in research, and you can approach these institutions for the purpose of the research. IIT Roorkee, they are doing the fantastic research. Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, they are also doing a fantastic research. All right. And many people nowadays, in fact, you find good mentors around you. You connect with them via email. Many funding and supports are available at national and international level. All right. So all these are basically some kind of insights related to the research, AI related research, and what kind of difficulty you are facing, and how they have designed the prototype to provide the solution. All right. So ultimately, the purpose is to create a model or create a device. All right. And that might be helping and reducing the human effort. All right. So all these are some papers, in fact, related to AI research is mentioned by me. All right. Now I'm coming for again, as my topic is the Rahasyodghatan, this demystifying of AI and its impact in society. All right. So let me have a water and then I will reinitiate. Okay. So friends, AI basically AI is simulating of human intelligence in machine. All right. So how to simulate this human intelligence in machine? I said now the next fight is between the natural intelligence and artificial intelligence. Natural intelligence is basically having one brain, but AI is trying to incorporate the millions of brain with higher efficiency, with high scalability. All right, and that the system wants to learn from the experience, that makes the decision, and wants to perform the tasks like human. Am I right? So, dear friends, basically we have the three categories in AI study. You all are knowing. In fact, perhaps you are knowing better than me as well. So, which is better to start? AI or machine learning or deep learning? All right. So, if you are a beginner, so artificial intelligence is basically a technique which enables computers to mimic human behavior. All right. And machine learning is basically a subset, as you can see in figure, that human brain is there, and then there is a circle. All right. So a subset of AI technique which uses the statistical methods. यहाँ पर science आ गया है. At this stage, this is machine learning is basically a subset of AI. एक बार मेरे को जरा knocking कर दो, just because it is totally a one-sided.
Sir, everything is going very well mannered.
Okay. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद डॉक्टर साहब, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. So, dear friends, machine learning is basically a subset of AI techniques which use the statistical methods to enable machine to improve with experience. All right. अब यहाँ पर एक अगर छोटा सा मतलब एक जनरल बिहेवियर की बात करें तो बच्चों को बड़े थोड़े मना करते हैं कि डूज एंड डोंट्स. वो क्यों मना करते हैं? क्योंकि उनके पास एक्सपीरियंस होता है. ऑल राइट. तो एआई जो है वो इनेबल करता है कंप्यूटर टू मिमिक ह्यूमन बिहेवियर. बट मशीन लर्निंग में क्या है कि एल्गोरिथमिक फ्रेमवर्क है, स्टैटिस्टिकल मेथड्स हैं, एंड दैट इनेबल्स मशीन टू इंप्रूव विद एक्सपीरियंस. ऑल राइट. And further, if I talk about the deep learning, because these are the three keywords nowadays very much popular. Almost research are centered with these three buzzwords of any domain, in fact. So this is the subset of machine learning, which makes the computation of a multi-layer न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स फिजिकल. ऑल राइट. तो यहां पर क्या है कि मल्टी लेयर इन्वॉल्व हो गया है. ऑल राइट. सो दिस इज अ प्रिसाइज अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ ऑल दीज थ्री. ऑल राइट. सम कॉन्सेप्चुअल फ्रेमवर्क related with the history, because AI and its impact is demystifying the AI and its impact, and how it is affecting the society. That is basically my domain of discussion. I'm trying to discuss it conceptually, so I took some information from this AI tools only and from Google. I don't have any hesitation, but I had tried to conceptualize. So if I talk about 1950, so Alan Turing, perhaps you know, this is the person under whose name Computers Nobel Prize एलन ट्यूरिंग के नाम पर नोबेल प्राइज कंप्यूटर साइंस में नहीं है, कंप्यूटर साइंस में ट्यूरिंग अवार्ड है बेसिकली, ऑलराइट, जिसे कंप्यूटर साइंस का नोबेल प्राइज कहा जाता है। तो 1950 में एलन ट्यूरिंग, हम जब हम थ्योरी ऑफ कंप्यूटेशन पढ़ाते हैं, मेरे बहुत सारे मित्र इस पेपर को बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाते हैं और उनका ज्ञान का स्तर भी बहुत ज्यादा है। इनफैक्ट आदरणीय पाठक सर, जो कि अब वाइस चांसलर हैं कानपुर यूनिवर्सिटी के, इन्होंने हमें एमटेक में ये पेपर पढ़ाया था, थ्योरी ऑफ कंप्यूटेशन, and we learn a lot with that. So Turing machine is there. So Alan Turing has published computer machinery and intelligence, all right, which proposed a test machine intelligence called the imitation game, all right. And from there, this AI driven system took a little boost. Then another scientist in 1995, this John McCarthy, held workshop at Department on Artificial Intelligence, which is the first use of the word and how it came into the popular uses. मतलब जो ये पॉपुलर हुआ, जो आज की डेट में मतलब हर एक के जबान में, ठीक है ना। तो 1955 में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, this word was coined by John McCarthy, and in 1997, Deep Blue, this is one application developed by IBM, beat the world chess champion Garry Kasparov in highly publicized match, becoming the first program to beat a human chess champion. All right. तो यहां से धीरे धीरे गियर अप होना शुरू हुआ। In the year 2000, Professor Cynthia Breezel developed the first robot that could simulate human emotions with its face, and which included eyes, eyebrows, ears, and mouth, and it was called Kismet. All right. 2006, companies such as Twitter, Facebook, and Netflix started utilizing the AI as a part of their advertising and user experience algorithm in 2006. So this is a historical trace a little bit. Meanwhile, in 2011, Apple released Siri. This is popularly known as Apple Siri, and many people are using nowadays. In fact, not many, every people who wears this Apple phone, they are using Siri, and that is the first virtual assistant as far as my study concerned. ठीक है ना? And then in 2018, a Chinese tech group called Alibaba Language Processing AI beat the human intellect on Stanford reading and comprehension test. All right. So this was another one. And in 2022, ChatGPT, that is known as the Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This is basically a full form of ChatGPT. And इसने तो आजकल धूम मचा ही रखी है, आप मतलब सभी यूज कर रहे हैं। ग्रोक, एलोन मस्क का भी आ गया है, अभी उनकी कंपनी का भी एक एआई ग्रोक। DeepSeek is another AI. All right. So this is developed by OpenAI and launched in November 30, 2022. Based on large language model, basically जो LLM का हम बात करते हैं, all right, large language model का, तो ये Chat GPT में है, all right, and you could see in this slide that Sam Altman, this founder of Chat GPT, all right, another picture that how the robot is serving at one hotel in Bengaluru. This is the photograph of India. एंड सोफिया मेरे ख्याल से टॉकिंग रोबोट है, ये काफी पॉपुलर हुआ है अभी। आई थिंक यू पीपल आर अवेयर विद सोफिया, मेनी पीपल, एंड दिस इज रियल फोटो इन वन पर्सन, And another one is the AI generated. All right. So you could see that how AI is getting popular. My dear young friends, all right, what can AI do? What can AI do? All right, AI क्या कर सकता है? मेरे ख्याल से आज की डेट में जो हम कहते हैं कि रियल गॉड को ढूंढने के अलावा ये सब कर सकता है। फिजिकल फॉर्म ऑफ गॉड को ढूंढने के सिवा या प्रकट करने के सिवा फिजिकल मोड में ये सब कर सकता है। दिस कैन अंडरस्टैंड द ह्यूमन स्पीच, दिस कैन आइडेंटिफाई द ऑब्जेक्ट्स फ्रॉम इमेज, दिस कैन प्ले गेम्स, this can analyze the stock trends, this can interpret the human sentiments. Sentiment analysis पर आजकल बहुत रिसर्च हो चुका है and it's already going on. Driving, this can drive a car, this can secure the system, this can do automation, this can enhance the productivity, this may enhance the processing power, and this may ensure the quality as well. All right. So, dear friends, this is the thing which AI can do. However, there are certain risk analysis of AI. So, Stephen Hawking ने कहा था कि success in creating AI would be the biggest event in human history. That is very much true. Unfortunately, it might also be the last unless we learn how to avoid the risks. So, मेरे ख्याल से ये माना गया है कि ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस का जो हाईएस्ट इनोवेशन लेवल है, हम वहां तक लगभग अब टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट में पहुंच रहे हैं। अब बात केवल इतनी है कि नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस तो ऊपर वाले को बढ़ाना है, तो मेरे ख्याल से ऊपर वाले को भी कुछ अपने एल्गोरिथमिक प्रोसेस में कुछ तब्दीली लानी चाहिए। जो लोग ऊपर जाएंगे वो ऐसा वहां बात बताएंगे, मैं तो जब जाऊंगा तो मैं भी बताऊंगा। तो मेरे ख्याल से चूंकि ये जो नीचे वाले लोग हैं अब ये अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को काफी बढ़ा रहे हैं और उसमें एआई मॉडल इज सपोर्टिंग। All right, and what Elon Musk has said that we need to be super careful with AI, potentially more dangerous than nukes. So nuclear weapon से भी ज्यादा खतरनाक लोग मान रहे हैं इसको, because कहीं ना कहीं आप ओरिजिनलिटी को खो देंगे, कहीं ना कहीं आप ओरिजिनलिटी को या खो देंगे या फिर वो इतना आपको कंफ्यूज कर देगा सिस्टम कि आप ओरिजिनलिटी को समझ ही नहीं पाएंगे। ऑल राइट, सो दिस इज सम एआई टर्मिनोलॉजीज which I would like to share. That ChatGPT, as I elaborated, prompt engineering is another one. Then use case, you are launching a product and interested to marketing campaign on emails, then role assignment your system can do, that can act as a senior email marketing expert, define tasks and give context. All right, constraints, you can develop a system that can have the constraints, expectations. All right, what exactly you expect. Another one is IBM Watson. This is also a very popular. All right, Bard is conversational generative artificial intelligence chatbot developed by Google, initially based on Lambda family of large language model. So Bard is also again one. Perplexity is also gaining a popularity. Many people are using this Perplexity AI as a chatbot and intelligent search engine that uses artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and machine learning to offer exact and complete response to user inquiries. So, dear friends, these are the some awareness things. Dear friends, AI is very much used in business nowadays. Very much used. Business prediction. All right. Decision making. There's increased investment in AI methodology in across the businesses. 300% increase. अगर आप AI रिसर्च की बात करते हैं या AI driven model development की बात करते हैं, तो this increased heavily by the research institution, by the the organization. 57% of business expected to help improve customer experience and support. 20% of major retailers will use AI to personalize the brand experience from awareness through purchase. All right. And that 20% of all workers will use automated assistance technologies to make decisions and get work done. 80% of executives say AI boosts productivity and create new positions. All right. So this is, in fact, I mentioned the source as well from where it is taken. So retail is in AI and e-commerce as well. All right. This very much in use, this personalized shopping recommendation system. You all are experiencing virtual shopping assistants and the chatbots. All right. So AI driven systems are in retail and in e-commerce as well. All right. Then in our domain, because we are in the domain of education, smart and virtual classrooms, creating smart contents, personalized learning. We have many simulators and many LMS, learning management system. That is, AI has influenced in education sector in a very effective manner. All right. AI, if I talk about the automobile sector, that is also one of the dominant sector, one of the highly dominant sector. All right. So self-driving cars are there, driver assistance is there, smart engine control. आजकल तो बहुत सारे, मेरे ख्याल से आप लोग एडवर्टीजमेंट अगर देखते होंगे तो स्मार्ट इंजन कंट्रोल के बहुत सारे एडवर्टीजमेंट भी आ रहे हैं. बहुत सारे ऑटोमोबाइल organizations have incorporated this smart engine control. ABS and cruise control, smart navigation system is there, and there is a emergency braking system. All right. AI in agriculture, that is high-end research. In fact, मैं तो देखता हूँ कि बहुत सारे PhD scholar जो computer science background के हैं, they are also doing research in agriculture, because AI is their core domain. All right. So identifying the defects and nutrient deficiencies in the soil. Then smart agriculture is done by computer vision, robotics, and machine learning applications. AI can analyze where weeds are growing. AI bots can help to harvest the crops at a higher volume and faster pace than human labors. All right. So can we take a little tea break for 3-4 minutes? Sir? Dear organizing team members, hello.
Yes, sir.
Can we take a can I take a little break for 3-4
Yes, sir.
minutes?
We can take it.
Yeah, then I will continue. All right, because just I have to go for nature call. All right. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Hello, sir. Sir, please unmute your mic. Sir, you are not audible.
Yeah, it's fine. हाँ मैंने कर दिया Okay, fine. Yeah, sorry, I was muted, so I was speaking, but you people were not able to hear me. Okay, so everything is fine now. Can I continue?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So as I was discussing the AI influence in various domains. So AI in banking and finance is also affecting. In fact, you have the credit report generated by the AI. You can do, in fact, risk assessment is done by AI driven system. Fraud detection is one. Smart trading and portfolio management, all these things are not done by human. In fact, it's all is done by the AI driven system. All right, so this is another, as I said, AI जो है वो हेल्थ कुछ नॉइज इफेक्ट आ रहा है. I could sense some noise effect. Is it okay for the attenders?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
It is okay from the attender side?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, dear attenders, this AI in healthcare, this AI is using the biochemistry and the healthcare. All right. So, progression of severity of illness is identified by the AI-driven systems, identifying the symptoms and disease from the clinical records. Impact of the what I can say ki comorbidity, this effective medications based on the symptoms and the prior treatments. So many of this AI-driven system, due to the early detection, early diagnosis, and the accurate prediction, AI-driven models are very, very much popular in healthcare domain. And the effective medication is done, and definitely the society is getting benefited of this. All right. So in manufacturing sector, either the assembling of vehicle or designing any nano device, using nano materials, assembly line integration or quality assurance or price prediction, whatsoever, it's done by the AI driven systems. AI and society, this is basically a conceptual framework which I needed. So smartphone is one device by which you start the operating nowadays, everybody. All right. So there is a security and surveillance system. Then you have a social media platforms. Then you are using how AI is impacting the society in various, that every human being is using that navigation system. All right. E-commerce, all, in fact, Sabjiwala is also using UPI. All right, banking and finance sector. Then autonomous vehicle. Yeah, in India, this autonomous vehicle is one. However, AI controlled engines are being incorporated, but driverless car is certainly not very much in use. All right, and the smart homes. So all these models and applications and devices are being used by the people. Dear friends, so AI has both coin, myth as well as the realities. Myth, AI can think and reason like humans. Reality, AI operates based on the algorithms and statistical pattern rather than true understanding. This is the point where basically human can have an edge. It lacks the conciseness. उसकी कोई आत्मा नहीं है, ठीक है ना, वो जो है ऐसा कुछ उसका वैसा नहीं है, फीलिंग्स, ठीक है ना. AI lacks conciseness and subjective experience, which are the fundamental aspect of human thinking and reasoning. All right. So another dimension is AI is biased and unethical. All right. This is myth. Many people have that political biasing, social biasing. Reality, AI systems can indeed inherit biases. This is true. From the data, they are trained. So data is basically, if data input is biased, by which the AI systems are trained, then that process may have the bias. The responsibility lies with the designers, developers, and users of AI systems to ensure ethical consideration are addressed throughout the development and the deployment process. Because of this, ethical AI, this new, in earlier hacking, the term coined ethical hacking. All right. So nowadays AI is there. However, now people have started advocating ethical AI. So AI will replace human jobs. This is again one myth is going on nowadays. Reality, AI is basically an enabler for the human and is more likely augment the human work, enabling humans to focus on higher level tasks that require emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and social interaction. Routine kind of job would be taken care by the AI-driven system. Another myth is AI is a threat to human privacy and security. Yeah, sure. Definitely, this raises the concerns regarding the privacy and security, undoubtedly, because as I said earlier, hum chalte phirte robots. So this is a major concern. However, the responsible AI development and the deployment requires careful consideration of the privacy safeguards and the ethical principles. All right. This trending AI tools, अगर हम बात करते हैं, शायद आपने सुना होगा, this Remini is one image editor generator. All right. So this uses many things like face enhancer, all right, unblur sharpness, all right, and many other things, color filters, etc. So this is one of the AI training tools. Another training tool, you people are aware, I hope, this Remini is image editor generator tool. Then another trending AI tool, because my topic is demystifying the AI. All right. So, and its impact. So the another one is the video generator, that is Synthesia is one tool which is very much trending for video generator. Create compelling videos within a few clicks. This tool can, in fact, you can practice. NLP based video creation. Just write the textual content in the selected language and produce a voiceover in your specified voice. In fact, my neighbor, one of the nephrologists, he's not knowing about AI. So he was just teaching the MS class of nephrology. And one agency communicated with him that, sir, you give us the recording of all these. And he agreed upon. And then he saw that his lecture is created in many languages on his voice. He is from Coimbatore. He saw that in South Indian language, that agency has, created and provided to the many medical practitioners. All right. So this Synthesia, this NLP based video creation you can do, supports more than 120 language, provide more than 200 free video templates, more than 140 AI avatars in distinct clothing and styles. All right. Soundra is another music generation who is having interest in music. They may start this trending AI tool. Start creating your own AI music by choosing one of the following. Select the mood, select the genre, select the theme. All right. So option of selecting other music parameters is also available, like length, tempo, instrument, etc., etc. So I'm just sharing for your kind information. Chatbot is one that ChatGPT is most popular. In fact, nowadays many people are using this for text generation, conversational AI, text translation, question answering, and sentiment analysis. If I talk about the AI impact on jobs by 2025, so automation will result into the loss of tens of millions of jobs. In fact, core developer job, all right. AI will create for more opportunities than its erase. You could see that the new opportunities graph is higher side than the jobs is distorted. All right. So profile assessment is very, very important. Profile assessment is very, very important because nowadays we usually sometimes quote that earlier version of teaching, we have created a notes once, syllabus, no syllabus change, and that notes and that things are used for many years. No. Nowadays, this kind of approach will not work. You have to update and upgrade yourself to avoid obsolescence. All right. Then, dear friends, top research, academic writings. All right. Academic practices are going on in research GPT, academic research framework. This AI driven tools are helping you to review the literature. All right. And these are the GPT names and their corresponding functions. Top GPT for researchers, I have mentioned. And all the researchers, if they are using such kind of GPTs in their research, perhaps they are specialized in summarizing academic papers, particularly in scientific research. All right. And quick writing academic papers, that GPT is also available, that adds quickly writing academic papers, allowing users to refine and deepens their answer progressively. So all these are for the information purpose. Research GPT is one, and AI research assistant can search through. All right. So Chat GPT and its competitors, Copilot, GitHub, this speed of code generation, documentation generation, and programming language support. Many students are using. Many engineering students are using this. Nowadays, I experienced. Power Apps by Microsoft, providing highly beneficial experience by offering user-friendly, customizable, and integrated platforms for application development. It helps business to streamline operations and gain a competitive edge. Jasper is one. This is content making and creative making. All right. Then Vertex AI by Google. This Google Vertex AI is truly compelling. All right, with AI infused smarts all through Google Cloud. All right, it allows any user to migrate legacy database code to newer apps, even writing codes, also figure the alerts and find root cause. What many in fact engineering graduates and post-graduation students are using. Salesforce Service Cloud improves this compliance and risk management, improves business process agility, and improves business process outcomes. Salesforce Service Cloud. The Grammarly business, those who are not having a very precise grammars, they may use. So positive impacts in nutshell, if we describe. So improved medical diagnosis, definitely. This is the one of the area जिसमें research बढ़ेगी ही बढ़ेगी. No one can stop. And I think perhaps in future time, medical monopoly of doctors can also be reduced. All right, because people will have a slight understanding. So enhanced healthcare would be the byproduct of this. Improved elder care, advanced cyber security mechanism, improved decision making through data analytics, advanced language translation. Earlier बड़ी दिक्कत रहती थी, अंग्रेजी नहीं आती थी. Communication was one of the biggest bottleneck earlier days. Many people were not able to settle in the US in late 90s and in early 20s because they were not having a very effective communication. However, AI is solving all the problems. All right, advanced with the support of advanced language translation, improved security, introduce new forms of this cooperation and inclusion. All right, and reduced this repetitive nature of task. तो ये तो हो गया पॉजिटिव साइड, क्योंकि मुझे तो दोनों इम्पैक्ट डिस्कस करना है ना. अब निगेटिव क्या रहेगा, ठीक है ना. निगेटिव यही है कि हार्म या थ्रेट ऑफ हार्म फ्रॉम ऑटोनॉमस वीपन्स, ठीक है ना. आप कहीं भी ट्रैप हो सकते हैं, ठीक है ना, कहीं भी अटैक हो सकता है. लॉस ऑफ कंट्रोल ओवर प्राइवेसी एंड पर्सनल डेटा, बायस एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, cyber warfare, increase class wealth domination. All right, diminish media pluralism and greater energy and consumption. That is, I said कि कितनी बिजली, ठीक है ना, कितनी energy, कितनी machines, what could be the scalability, and if we are operating through AI, somehow in case of fault tolerance, how much human can manage. All right, so dear friends, dual impact, this is a suggestive framework. कि केवल AI ना रहे, मतलब उसका निगेटिव साइड भी मिनिमाइज रहे और पॉजिटिव साइड भी रहे. तो उसके लिए एक लीगल फ्रेमवर्क होना चाहिए. we may alter our legal framework, and we must have this internationalization legal framework, because these all are boundaryless. Alter moral conceptions, change understanding of personhood, alter human relations, create unintended consequences, intensify big data analytics, escalate surveillance, increase profiling, increase laser. All right. So these are the balanced one that minimizes the negative side and secure the positive sides as well. अब इसके लिए स्किल मैं पहले भी बात कर चुका हूं, AI, science of AI and buzzword of AI. All right. So what kind of skills are needed? Knowledge of programming language is certainly needed. All right. Strong mathematical skills, DSA जिसको हम कहते हैं, data structure and algorithms. Strong mathematical skills. Mastery of statistics and probability. Usually students इस पर ज्यादा focus नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है ना? But you have to have mastery, because multi-way decision making you are involved. Efficiency in adoption to the tech tools. All right. Career opportunities in AI. All right. So big data engineer is one side, AI data analyst, business intelligence developer, AI software engineer, AI consultant, NLP processing specialist, AI research scientist, machine learning engineer, user experience specialist, AI wrangler. All right. These are the terms of data science. I will come to you. All right. So अभी तक के डिस्कशन का अगर हम एक नटशेल में देखें तो AI is a very powerful tool with transformative potential. Responsible development and uses can maximize the benefit and minimize the risk. All right. And society, as demystifying the potential of AI and its implication towards the society. So society must stay informed and engaged in AI discussion. So अगर हम एक जो बात कर रहे थे डेटा साइंस की AI में, डिसीजन मेकिंग में, so exploring the intersection of artificial intelligence and data science is very, very essential, because AI involves creating algorithms that enables machine to simulate human intelligence, and data science is the study that extracts the insight from data using statistical, computational, and algorithmic methods. Dear friends, AI is revolutionizing the data science by automating tasks, enhancing model accuracy, and unlocking new insights. All right. So, role of AI in data science, अगर हम बात करें, तो this can give a very effective automation. AI can automates repetitive tasks like data cleaning and feature engineering. AI can assist in predictive analytics. AI enhances the ability to make predictions based on the historical data and anomaly detection. AI helps to identify the unusual patterns or the outliers in large data set. AI can help in data pre-processing by data cleaning, text processing, and feature engineering. AI can help in model optimization by hyperparameter tuning. Many researchers are doing it nowadays with the support of Python and all. AI tools helps automatically adjust the hyperparameter to improve model performance. AutoML, this automated machine learning platforms that selects the best model and the parameters with minimal user intervention. AI can assist in data science by predictive analytics. This machine learning models, AI models like regression, classification, and clustering are used to predict future outcomes. Time series forecasting, AI helps in predicting the trend over time, such as sales or stock market detection. Example, predicting customer churns or sales forecast. AI is helping in data visualization, that automated insights. AI tools generate insights from the complex data and present them visually, because ultimately once you see the graphs and all, your decision making is certainly increased. And for that, many tools like Table AU, Power BI, Google Data Studio. All right, you have these are the recommended tools for best visualization. And NLP AI generates easy to understand data summarization. All right, in various kinds of languages. Deep learning and complex data, unstructured data specifically. Deep learning enables the processing of unstructured data like image, audio, and text, and that can refine and recognize. In fact, image recognition can be done in various like healthcare sector or sentiment analysis in social media. If I talk about how AI is affecting in the domain of big data, so AI is capable of processing vast amount of data in real time. Like जैसे कि जो जब फ्लाइट उड़ती है तो डेटा इज सेव्ड इन फ्यू सेकेंड्स, फ्लाइट डेटा. Distributed computing AI tools work alongside of technologies like Hadoop and Spark to analyze big data. These two tools are very, very important. Those who are the budding researchers, and if they are working AI with data science, Hadoop and Spark, they have to. The example is analyzing social media trends or IoT data, sensor data. You need all these. All right. So, अगर हम रियल वर्ल्ड एप्लीकेशन की बात करें, पहले भी बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स मैं रियल वर्ल्ड के दे चुका हूं, एंड स्पेशली अगर एआई और डेटा साइंस में बात करें कि लार्ज डेटा सेट को हैंडल करने के लिए एआई कैसे होगा और किन एरियाज में इसकी यूजबिलिटी है, तो एआई इज कैपेबल ऑफ प्रोसेसिंग वास्ट अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा, एंड द डोमेन्स आर लाइक फाइनेंस. All right, AI can predict the stock prices, detects frauds, and assist in risk management. AI helps in retail sector to analyze the customer behaviors and product recommendations and inventory optimization. So once we are applying AI in data science, so what are the challenges that AI-driven models are facing? That data quality, as I said, data models are dependent heavily on high quality, well labeled data. अगर इसमें गड़बड़ी है तो फिर तो इनपुट ही आपका खराब है, देन एआई कुछ नहीं कर सकता. अगर बायस है डेटा में, then AI models can inherit bias from the data they are trained on, leading to the skewed results. Adequate result आपको नहीं मिल पाएगा. ठीक है. Interoperability is one issue. Some AI models, especially deep learning, are often seen black box. इसमें अंदर क्या है बहुत सारे लोगों को पता नहीं होता, making it difficult to explain the decisions. So this is one of the emerging area, the future of AI in data science, that integration of AI with other fields like quantum computing and edge computing can give a major boost to upcoming researchers. However, ethical AI is always in my focus. Fair, transparent, and unbiased AI system can certainly help. AI automation that expect more automated process in data science, reducing the need of human intervention in tasks like feature selection and model building. All right. So in conclusion, AI is transforming data science by automating tasks, improving decision making, and enhancing predictive capabilities. So there is a call to action that embrace AI tools in your data science workflows to stay competitive and unlock the new insights. AI plays a significant and transformative role in data science, enhancing both the speed and quality of analysis and decision making. All right. So here are some ways by which you can integrate the AI and data science, like in healthcare, diagnosing disease. IBM Watson Health, this AI is very much useful. AI analyzes patient records, lab results, medical images, and even academic research to help doctors make faster, more accurate diagnosis. AI can flag critical conditions like cancer or heart disease in scans faster than radiologists, helping with the urgent decision makings in this healthcare domain. All right. Real-time examples, if you could see finance, fraud detection, this MasterCard and PayPal, By this, AI models monitor millions of the transactions in real time to detect suspicious activity using anomaly detection algorithms. The system can immediately block the transaction if fraud suspects. All right. E-commerce, this personalized recommendations like Amazon. All right. AI analysis, user behavior, real time, clicks, views, purchase history to personalize the product recommendations. All right. Amazon is using very much this e-commerce AI. Increase the chance of purchase by showing customers exactly what they are likely to want right now, and they may help the business to boost their revenue. Manufacturing side, predictive maintenance is one, and Siemens and GE Capitals are using this AI processes data from sensors in machinery to predict when equipment will fail or need maintenance. So prevents this costly downtime by altering staff before failure occurs. All right. So this predictive maintenance is interdisciplinary domain where other engineering domains are dependent on AI. Transportation is one of the dimension where AI is very much in use. This route optimization used by the Uber or Google Map, by which they're using this AI analyzes the traffic, road closure, and driver behavior and suggests the fastest or safest routes, and this saves time and fuel by dynamically adjusting the routes. So in terms of entertainment, if we talk about Netflix or Spotify are the best example of that content recommendations. So AI algorithms predict what shows, songs, or videos you will like based on your behavior and preferences. Keep users engaged by this. So in terms of human resource departments, they are using the AI system for candidate screening, and LinkedIn and Talent Insights. These are the examples of this. This AI tool basically analyze the resume, job descriptions, and candidate data to match the applicants to job roles. It speed ups the hiring by narrowing down the candidates who are great fit instantly. All right. Military and defense is one of the prominent area. AI can enhance the decision making in military operations by making a split-second decision about the targeting, maneuvering, and avoiding obstacles or threats. Cybersecurity is another domain. AI systems used to detect the threats, analyze attack patterns, and make real-time decisions about defending networks, preventing breaches, and neutralizing the threats. All right. एग्रीकल्चर में बता ही चुका हूं कि क्रॉप यील्ड प्रेडिक्शन by analyzing historical data and environmental conditions. AI can forecast crop yields, helping farmers make informed decisions about the harvesting, storage, and marketing. All right. So in sports, AI systems are used, sports analytics, to analyze the player performance. AI analyzers, in fact, क्रिकेट तो सभी लोग इंडिया में बहुत पॉपुलर ही है. अभी बीसीसीआई ने जो ग्रेडिंग किया है प्लेयर्स का, वो एआई एनालिस्ट, जो स्पोर्ट्स एनालिटिक्स जो एआई एनालाइजर है, उसकी फीडबैक को उन्होंने 80% वेटेज दिया है इन देयर ग्रेडिंग. So AI analyzes a player's performance during training and matches to recommend strategies for improvement or suggest optimal positions. All right. So ये जितने बड़े-बड़े क्लब हैं, they all are using this AI analyzers and for player identification and for the match strategy as well as. In India, real-time smart cities, they are using the AI-driven system to manage the traffic and to manage the energy distribution. So this is the AI, demystifying the AI and its societal impact. Further, I have taken something, basically AI and data science is very much correlated, and fuel for the AI is data science. Any AI is basically a process. So this is interdisciplinary field that uses the scientific methods, processes, algorithms, systems to extract the knowledge and insights from many structured and unstructured data. Jim Gray, this is a Turing Award winner, has imagined that data science as a fourth paradigm of science. ठीक है ना? जो साइंस की पैराडिम है, एम्पिरिकल, थ्योरेटिकल, कंप्यूटेशनल, तो ये चौथा स्तंभ, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि प्रेस जो है वो हमारे व्यवस्था का चौथा स्तंभ है, तो ऐसे ही रिसर्च में जो साइंस के तीन स्तंभ हैं, एम्पिरिकल, थ्योरेटिकल, कंप्यूटेशनल, and now the data science is emerged as a fourth paradigm. All right, that is the data driven. All right, so dear friends, agar career ki baat kare to data scientist is ranked at the third best job in America for 2022, and from 16 to 19 it was ranked first one. So now this is clubbed AI and data science job. So variety of tools and technologies and techniques that are used: linear regression, logistic regression, support vector machine. These are very popular algorithm people are using in their research. Clustering, this is used to group the data together. Dimensionality reduction, this is used to reduce the complexity of data computational. And machine learning, this is used to perform the task by inferencing patterns from the data. Regression, used to identify the relationship between dependent variable and one or more independent variables. So these are the variety of tools and technologies. Languages जो आजकल काफी पॉपुलर हैं, क्योंकि हम तो टीचर लोग हैं, पढ़ाते रहते हैं बच्चों को और खुद भी थोड़ा पढ़ते रहते हैं, तो पाइथन जो है बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर है. डेटा साइंस की libraries like NumPy, Panda, and this SkyPeas are used. R is very much popular. This is used for statistics and data mining. Julia, this high-level, high-performance dynamic programming language, well suited for numerical analysis and computational science. This many frameworks are existing. TensorFlow is a framework for creating machine learning models developed by Google. PyTorch is another ML framework developed by Facebook. Jupyter Notebook, this interactive web interface for Python that allows faster experimentation. Apache Hadoop. Apache Hadoop is a software framework that is used to process data over large distributed systems. Many visualization tools, earlier also I discussed, Plotly is one, provides rich set of interactive scientific graphing libraries. TableAU, this is used for data visualization. Power BI is used for business analytics. This is serviced by Microsoft. All right. There are many platforms are available, like RapidMiner is a data science software platform. DataIQ is a collaborative data science software marketed for big data. Anaconda provides a comprehensive free and open source distribution of the Python and R programming languages. MATLAB is computing environment heavily used in industry and academy.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. We are little bit getting late. That means we are about to bind up this session. So it's humble request to you that please bind up it.
Okay. So thank you. Thanks for notifying me. Just I was discussing that how AI system is created and how the fuel, I mean data as a fuel can be used, and what kind of operations, data wrangling. I said AI-driven systems are using data wrangling. So what is basically a wrangling? Also referred to as data munging. This is the process of transforming and mapping the data from one raw data into another format with the intent of making it more appropriate and valuable for a variety of work. All right. So as I am indicated, that I will share the slides. All right. Now, because the type of data, type of input, there are many kinds of input: qualitative input, quantitative input, continuous data, discrete data. You all are knowing this. These are the data where AI applications are used: binomial data, ordinal data. All right. So all these and the statistical methods applied on all these data sets. So we are using AI models for trained analysis, sort analysis, conjoint analysis, turf analysis. This is totally unduplicated reach and frequency analysis. And we are using a various kinds of data, ratio and scale data. All right. How we have to measure the central of tendency on data to reduce the bias, and how the mean is affecting what kind of data, where to use median, where to use mode, how to reduce the bias. Because skewed data, if we have that, perhaps AI model may not be very useful. So this is a summary where to use this data and what kind of data is suited for what kind of models. So, all right. So friends, we have jobs in the area of Hadoop, Page, Spark, R, Python, Java, and almost every popular NoSQL database has Python specific AI API. All right. So if we have a good data, this either structured, unstructured, natural language, machine generated, graph based, or audio, video, or images, or streaming, and if our algorithm is good, all right, then certainly we can create a good model, good AI model. So this is all from my side. Thank you for your patient hearing, and thanks to the organizer for giving me an opportunity to share the demystifying version of AI in various domains, how it is affecting, and how the society altogether is getting influenced or affected. So this is a conceptual study I presented. Thank you one and all. Namaskar.
Sir, one question from Hemendra Sharma, sir. How AI can help in query processing and expansion for contextualized domain to get accurate suggestion?
Can you repeat the question?
Yes, sir. How AI can help in query processing and expansion for contextualized domain to get accurate suggestions?
What kind of query? First of all, we must understand the type of query. And basically, if that is healthcare related query, because see, there is two things. Available AI model are ably processing the query. Query could be of any form. Query could be of any form, but it depends that domain specific query. Domain specific query. There could be a more than one decision making. There could be a more than one decision making. But if you are talking about the creation of an application, perhaps what I understand from your query. So as I saw in healthcare domain. So in healthcare domain, basically the reports, and pathological reports, which is in form of numerics, and your CT scan, your ultrasound, X-rays, once we process through our model, and that outcome would be validated by the domain expert. Always AI suggests that this could be the possible solution. However, it must be validated, because this is the drawback of AI driven models, that there is a validation lacking. They are providing the information on the basis of the data supplied by the user, and it is matched with certain models, whatever the model, either there are various models available, all right, various regression models are available, but that needs endorsement from either from radiologist or from the specialized person.
Anyone else who want to ask question?
All the participants, if you have any queries, unmute your mic and ask the question. I think no more question.
Mr.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time and sharing your deep knowledge and experience with us. Sir, your session has truly added immense value to our program and has sparked new ideas and perspective among the participants. Thank you, sir. With this, we conclude the first session of the day, and the next session will be begin 2:30. So we kindly request all the participants to rejoin us on time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It was really very nice session, and you have explained the things in very deep and in a very journal form, so that the persons or participants can learn or even though understand the things in a very thorough manner. So thank you very much, sir, for your precious time, and hope for such more sessions on different topics, and specifically the topic related with remote sensing that is due from my end. So we will again call you for some other events. Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks for inviting me, and thanks for giving me an assurance for future as well. So
It's my privilege, sir. It's my privilege. Thank you. Thank you, participants. We'll meet again at 2:15 p.m.
So shall I discontinue?
Yeah, sir. Please.
Please.
Thank you.
Okay, namaskar.